So today we're going to talk about what the great technology that's inside the Virtue products are going to do for some of these hair concerns that people are suffering from. Damage, frizz, split ends, hair loss. These are all concerns that women not only have in the Middle East, but around the world. Hi, my name is Melisse Shaban. I'm founder and CEO of Virtue Labs, and we're so excited to be here with Sephora in the Middle East. So split ends are a problem for lots of people. And look, we know at the end of the day that that is the oldest part of your hair. So that is the hair that is the least healthy. It's the furthest from your scalp. And it used to be that you could never mend a split end, but this product is actually quite remarkable. This serum will actually allow you and go just beyond the mid shaft to the end, pull it through, and it will mend that split end and allow you to grow your hair. And right now the trends are women want to grow their hair. They don't want to cut their hair. They don't want to cut the split end out. They want long, luxurious hair. And this serum will allow you to grow your hair and mend that split end, because that's just another form of damage. The hair is actually fracturing in half like a piece of wood. This allows that to fill in that crack and pull that hair back together. Again, when we're asking and talking about damage, the damage comes in a variety of different ways. Thin hair is damaged hair as well. But you also hear and talk about breakage all the time. And what's happening is that we're doing all sorts of things to our hair. And what we can do with alpha keratin 60KU is this technology goes directly to that wounded site on the hair, and it puts that keratin back into the hair, traps that moisture, and cures that breakage. So again, we do a lot of damage, and our hairdresser friends, the people who make us look beautiful, also do a lot of damage. When we color our hair, we're damaging our hair. When we flat iron our hair, we're damaging our hair. And we really need to be able to put that keratin back in, that really good, healthy protein that allows us to put that moisture back in. Just like your skin. Your hair is begging for moisture. Look at that. This is 1 time a week, 3 minutes, and your hair will have complete and total life back to itself. This is just a beautiful mask that will help cure all of that damage and put that moisture back in those strands. Well, and when we do this, we do put it through, and then when you put it through your hair, it goes all the way through the backs of your hair. And I can even use this mask dry. It's that fantastic. I love it on my hands too. I really would highly recommend the mask twice a week in relationship to that. Again, what's happening is the hair is getting dry. It's creating tension between the fabric and the hair, and then the moisture is getting lost. So if you take the mask product and you use it twice a week, shampoo, leave the mask in for 180 seconds, you're really going to be able to keep that moisture in that hair, and it's going to prevent that tension, which is what's happening. It's catching on the fabric, and it's going to help a lot with those little hairs. And then they tend to break as well, so maybe a little polish unfrizz on top. But that's really what I would recommend for that. So we have a beautiful polish unfrizz product that's fantastic. And I am not a hairdresser, but I'm going to give you some hairdressing tips that my hairdressers, one of them is here, would tell you, is especially around the crown of the hair, just use a little bit of product, rub it like this, and just flatten those out just a little bit. That's fresh hair, right? So that's what's happening, is this is fresh hair that you're getting. So this is the beautiful polish unfrizz, works great for any kind of frizz products. So all of our products have the alpha keratin 60KU. It is a human identical protein. It's 100% fully functional protein, which makes it work so dramatically. Our shampoo and conditioners are multitaskers. So not only are you washing your hair, but you're also helping cure the damage in your hair. So you really get a double bang for your buck here. And I highly recommend people try it. You're never gonna use anything like it. So look, you know, the reality is you are flat ironing your hair, you're blow drying your hair, you're in a humid climate, you're in a very warm climate. All of our products have 450-degree thermal protection, but one product in general would be a product I would recommend, which would be the 6-in-1. And the 6-in-1 gives you a lot of things, but mainly it gives you the protection for heat and blistering your hair. Think about if you washed your face and didn't put a moisturizer on your face. So the same thing we have to do with your hair. Once you wash your hair, you have to put something on it that protects it from all of the elements. And that's the 6-in-1. If you have any more questions, please put them down. We'd be happy to get back to you and look forward to spending time together.
Sephora.